How to verify ID.me with Selfie. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pivan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID.me account with Selfie. Now, as you know, during the verification process on ID.me, you'll have to submit a video selfie. Your selfie will only be used to confirm that the person in the selfie matches your government ID. Now, how you can complete it? If you're having issues completing the video selfie verification, here is a quick guide. First, you want to avoid glare. If you notice glare, step back from the light source. So you want to avoid the glare that you'll get due to the light shining. So you want to avoid glare and step back from the light source. Then don't hide your face. Avoid clothing like hats, scarves, masks, or anything else that can hide your face. So it's a selfie. Since it's a selfie, you want to make sure no one else is in the view. So you want to make sure no one else is there on the background in the view in your selfie video. You want to set up lighting, whether it's natural light or from a lamp, for example. Make sure the light is in front of you and your face is clear. Position the camera. Hold the camera directly in front of you. So you want to hold the camera directly in front of you, about a foot away. Then you want to check your background. Stand in front of a simple plain background if possible, and this way your video selfie will get quite easier. So this way you can verify ID.me with Selfie. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.